In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily come up with your own business name for your online business. For inspiration, you can go to thesaurus.com. They have some great synonyms. So we're searching for something like future. As you can see, you have a lot of synonyms here, more professional sounding words of whatever you are looking for. Just this morning, actually, one of my relatives and I, we came up with a company name for our real estate, and that brought up also one main thing that you always want to remember. When coming up with a business name, you want to think of your customer, not yourself. So if you're doing, say, something like real estate, you don't want to say something like real estate profits or making money or changing your lifestyle, something like that, something that is more in regards to yourself. You want to think of your customer, your target audience, and really make your company name something unique to them and make it kind of eye-popping and stand out to them, something that they're going to actually be interested in. And then when you have come up with your business name, what you want to do is go to GoDaddy.com, and then in the top navigation here, we want to go to domains. You can simply hit learn more. As you can see here, you get a search bar. So let's search for something like, you can just search for a term, and as let's see, wait for that to load. There you go. As you can see here, we have all the terms. I probably have a typo in there, or I might not. I'm not sure. Let's see, affiliate marketing. Yeah, there is a typo in that, but same thing. As you can see, we obviously have all the domains and all the extensions here available, because that's obviously spelled wrong. Nobody would have a company or business name like that. If there are domains that are taken, they simply won't show up here, or they'll show up as a very high price, and it'll show that they're taken. Let me just show you. Let's go to, let's say, Best Buy. As you can see here, most of these are actually available. Here's one for slightly more expensive than usual at $66. As you can see right here, bestbuy.com. If you look at the price here, it is $11,464, which is quite a price to pay, because obviously Best Buy owns this domain, bestbuy.com, and that is what you will see when a domain is taken. It should also, usually it says when the domain is taken. So that is the basics to keep in mind. And then coming back to the company name, once again, like I already said, you want to focus on your target audience rather than yourself, and it also shouldn't be too long. So if you're saying something, if you have a very long company name, it is just very uncomfortable to say. It might be a tongue twister to some people, and it is very inconvenient to type. So if people are going to your website, I know these days you don't really type in https:// anymore. You just go straight for the companyname.com or whatever the subdomain is. But you still want to make it something short. If you have a long company name, you can simply make the domain something short. So if we have something like, let's say, just for an example, Freedom Influencers Campaign, you could probably just go Freedom Influencers Campaign, just something like that. And then you have domains available here. As you can see, these are taken. But anyways, that's the basic idea. If you have a very long company name or a three-word company name, you want to really make the domain, make going to the website easy. So whoever has to type in the website name isn't sitting there typing for a solid minute if they're not such a fast typer. You have to really consider all of those things. Not everyone is a tech geek. Not everyone's good with computers and fast typing. You really want to be user friendly, even with a company name, because you do hook up a website with that same domain. You really want to keep all that stuff in mind. With that said, this will be everything for this video. If you have any questions, comments, leave a comment, like, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned if you want to learn how to make money online. And I'll see you in the next one.